responsible statement.
Kumshi binta jong kajing rakhe jong kajing dap arsnem jong kajing rakhe ya kajing dap nyopusan snem jong kajing light luat kari hapo ka shatri jong ka azadi ka amrit mahotsav ka North Eastern Council ka lapenlong yaki program ki bapher but kumshi binta jong kane lasdang ya ka NEC Invitational Football Tournament mentakasngi hamadan polo ka badon hanong ba shillong ya kane ka Lympung Ialehkai Phutbol la play the secretary ka NEC uke Moses Chalai hakane ka Lympung lawan maya shimbenta da khandai tili ki kinhun but on penkut hakakat santerik mentau benai.
Exciting and very, very historical times that the country is going through this 75 years of our independence. And therefore, this 1 year celebration has been very important and it's going to culminate by 15th of this month. Therefore, we are, as I said, we are living in historical times. And to commemorate and to remind ourselves and to recall all that sacrifices happened, who and our countrymen, our forefathers, who have done so much to give us this precious, very, very precious freedom, we are celebrating this.
Mentapat